I am by name Adamzy. I'm going to be showing you the Tello Drone which I bought from USA. I want to be doing this demo test and unboxing. So kindly stick with me while I open it. So I'm going to drop my cell phone. Here is the Tello Drone powered by DJI. So I'm going to open it. Yeah. So I will take the battery from the other side. Good. Here is the battery, LiPo battery. So I'm going to open it. Then I will slot the battery inside the drone. After slotting in, here is my mobile phone. I didn't have the controller, but I'm going to use my mobile phone for flying. And we're going to test all the major flights. Now, I'm going to show us how to connect the app with the drone. Here is the drone. Here is the HR. This is the drone. So, I'm going to connect it by opening the application. Here, I tap on it. Here is it. It's loading. So after it has finished loading now, it will tell me connect Tello. So I will have to on it. I will on it from the side here. You can see the on point. I will hold it. Then the light will blink. So I will go back to, I will drop it. After I drop it, I will click on connect Tello. So when I hit on it, my Wi-Fi is going to turn on. My Wi-Fi is turning up. Here is it. It's connected now. Then I will have to go back to the Tello app. So you can see the camera. The camera is seen everywhere. You can see as I'm looking around everywhere, it's showing inside the app. So now I'm going to do the first thing now to take off. So you watch the Tello while I click take off. When I slide to take off, it will take off. And when it take off, it will be opening around. It calculates 4 feet above the sea level. So now I'm going to test it. I'm going to hover it around. So I'm turning it. You can see it's turning. The camera is facing me now. Let me take a shot. I'll take a shot of myself. Then let me take a shot of the environment. Then I will take a shot of the person behind the camera. I will take a shot, which you can see later. Now I want to fly forward. It's going. I can decide to leave it. It will be hovering once, but I'm not controlling it. It will stay in one place with the help of the sensor. It will stay in one place. So I can decide to take it up. To go up to any height I want. Like this is the basic height. So this is the cool evening. Now the breeze is very few. We don't have a lot of breeze now. So we are going to enjoy our flight. So I'm going to take it down right now. Good. Now we are going to test. I'm going to take it down a little bit. Now we are going to test the sensors. When I put my hand below it to go up, That is the obstacle avoidance. Let me take it down again. So when I try to catch it, it will go with the help of the sensor. So I can try to push it. So we are going to test, the first mode we are going to test now is the flip mode. So let's test. So I'm about to flip it now. I will drag on the screen. It will flip and remain on the same height. When I flip it, it will flip and stand on the same height. There's no that you can see it's very stable. Now we are going to check on bouncing mode now. So I will cancel the flip mode. I will go to the second mode, which is bounce mode. The bounce mode is activated. You go down and it will go up. You go down and go up to calculate the tilt. When it's on 2 feet above the sea level, go up and go at this flip mode. So we are going to test one mode before we do other things. Please. So let me take it up a little bit. Now I'm going to do another mode now before we do the run around. We want to do up and away now. Up and away. Up and away is activated. Up and away. So I'm not controlling it to do up and away. To be going up and to going away. Going up, going away. So I'm going to cancel it. So the next mode now, I'm going to do cycle around. I want to do cycle around now. I've activated cycle around. It will be going around, but because the breeze now, the breeze are affecting it. It will be going around, but it's fighting with the wind now. It cannot go around. Let me try it because you can see the warning in the screen here. It's showing the warning. The breeze is too much, it cannot go around. So there is some mode that the breeze, the wind will not allow you to exercise. So let me try on that. Let me take it on a flight to a little distance. You can see it's very slow because the wind, it must fight with the wind. So I'm taking it away. So you can see it's away. This is about 50 meters away from me. So it can go beyond that when I boost it with Bluetooth. So I'm going to take it close back to me now. Here is it. So let me turn it again. So now I want to do a little video which I'm going to add in the description box. So I'm going to do a video. This is a volleyball court. I want to video the people that is training here. So I will take it close to them and turn on my video. So he's looking at them, the people that is training now. Good. So I'm going to video them now. He's videoing their games now. So we are on video mode now. So I'm going to add it in my video description. You're going to see how the video look like in real time. So he's still videoing. So let me take some area shots again while I'm still videoing. I'm checking on the fans now. I've turned away. You can see. Now. Going there, and the flight time is 15 minutes. I'll be flying this for over, let me check the time. I'll be flying it for over 10 minutes now, so it's still on the air. So what we want to do now, we want to quickly look at the hand landing. So I'm going to take it close to me and show it my hand, and it's going to land in my hand. So I'll stop the video. So now I'll take it close to me. Now I'm going to do the hand landing. So once it sees my hand, it will land on my hand. Let me take it a little bit downward. It's too up. Good. Good. This space is better. So I'm going to do the hand landing again. It's still not getting it. Let me try it again. The last time. Can see it has stopped. Okay. To hit the throw and go now because the battery is getting low. Once the battery is low, it cannot be able to perform the function. So I will click on it. Pause. Okay, thank you very much. We are wrapping up for the testing. The battery is getting low now because I didn't have the handful of battery right now. I've ordered the battery from US. They are on their way coming. So I'm going to cash it to wrap it up. Thank you very much.